In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Opus Clip for a live stream recording. To get started, open Opus Clip and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all of the upload and clipping options appear correctly. This is important because you'll be working directly from the main dashboard to import your live stream recording and generate short-form content from it. When the dashboard is ready, locate the field labeled Drop a YouTube link. This is where you can paste the link to your live stream recording if your content is already hosted on YouTube. Simply copy the link to your live stream recording, then paste it into that field. This is usually the fastest option if your stream has already been uploaded or archived online. If your recording is saved on your computer instead, you can use the upload option to import the live stream recording directly from your device. And if your file is stored in cloud storage, click Google Drive and select your recording from there. Whichever method you choose, the goal is the same. Get your live stream into Opus Clip so the platform can begin analyzing it. After you've added the recording, wait for it to finish loading. Depending on the file size or the length of the stream, this may take a little time. Once the recording is ready, click Get Clips in one click. This tells Opus Clip to begin processing the video and automatically identify moments that can work well as short-form clips. Now, give the system time to process the recording. Opus Clip will analyze your live stream and generate clips automatically, which can save a huge amount of editing time. When the clips are ready, review the generated results carefully. A helpful feature here is the clip scoring, which lets you compare the clips and quickly identify the strongest moments based on Opus Clip's recommendations. Click on any clip to preview it. As you review each one, pay attention to both the captions and the actual clip content. Make sure the selected segment is clear, engaging, and accurately captioned. If anything needs adjustment, go ahead and make the necessary edits before exporting. Taking a few extra moments here can make a big difference in the final quality of your content. Once you're happy with the clips, download the ones you want to publish. From there, you can share them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or any other platform where short-form vertical content performs well. You can now turn a live stream recording into multiple short-form clips using Opus Clip and repurpose your best live stream moments for social media.